Welcome back to my channel, and happy holidays, of course, to everyone out there. Thank you so much for the support. I really do cherish you guys. Today we have a very fun NintenDIY. It is Pokemon ornaments. They are really easy to make, super simple, and of course it looks great on your Christmas tree. So all the links will be down below in the description for any of the materials. It takes you directly to Amazon, so all you do is click the link, go to Amazon, put it in your cart, and then you can check out and make your own Pokemon ornaments. I have a very special shout out at the end of the video, so make sure you stay till the end. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. There are definitely more NintenDIYs coming very soon, and if you happen to make any of my nerd DIYs, definitely tag me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. I will share it with everyone out there. Alright, so let me catch you up with what I'm doing right now. I actually put the Rejuvinate Floor Restorer into the ornament, and then I swished it around to make sure I covered everything inside. And then I used a funnel that I made out of paper to place all the glitter inside there. Glitter gets everywhere, so it's the best way to try to put the glitter inside the ornament so you don't inhale a ton of glitter. The next step is, of course, grabbing your glass markers and adding the facial features such as the eyes, nose, and mouth. Also, keep in mind that there are a ton of different glass markers out there. I'll list a couple down below in the description. This one worked okay, although if you used black and then tried to put a color on top of the black, it definitely did not show. And then also it takes about 24 hours for it to fully cure onto the glass. So definitely read the instructions. Once again, I'll list various different types down below in the description. So all the materials are down below with the Amazon links. Check it out, including all my social media. So when it comes to actually making the Pokemon's face, whatever Pokemon you had decided to make sure you have enough reference pictures. My whole desktop is flooded with reference pictures because you want to be as accurate as possible, especially when it comes to the facial features. So if you want to make the exact ones that I made, I will have a ton of pictures on Twitter, so you can look at that as references. Let me know what is your favorite all-time Pokemon. Of course, my favorite is Pikachu. I use Pikachu in Super Smash Bros. Ultimate, so that is why he is my homeboy. Let me know down below what your favorite Pokemon is, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Of course, just like us, Pokemon vary and they're different in appearances. So for example, when it came to Pikachu and Eevee, I decided to make their ears and actually super glue it onto the ornament. So whatever Pokemon you decide to make, definitely look and see what kind of appearances they have, so that way you can plan out what you want to add on the ornament. There are a ton of different materials available to you, especially at your local craft store. So the ears here are made out of felt and actually glitter paper. There's a ton of materials, and keep in mind, if they don't have the glitter that matches the exact ornament, you can actually make felt glitter. All you have to do is add Podge onto the felt and then use the glitter that you used inside the ornament and cover that. Once you're done, of course, when you're applying anything onto the ornament, definitely hold it there until it is completely dry. For Eevee, I added a special material which was fake fur, so that's why it's definitely important to be as creative as possible and have fun with this regardless of how it turns out. It is very fun and easy to make, and it's just a memory that you can hold and cherish on your Christmas tree. Jigglypuff was definitely a different ornament to make. I actually used free-flowing felt for her hair and her ears, and I really liked how it turned out. Let me know in the comments below what, again, is your favorite Pokemon. I have other ornaments and nerd DIYs on my channel, so make sure you like and subscribe. I, again, appreciate every single one of you guys, and I do have a very special shout out, so check out this quick video.
Hello, Jackson. Come on. I heard from your mom and dad that you loved my �々𝘧𝘧𝘪𝘣𝘦 amiibo. Because of your family's support, I'm able to send you a very special gift this year. Please thank your sweet parents on my behalf. Special thanks to you. I'm so happy you love my art I make, and I'm honored that it's going to go in your home. Happy holidays, 𝘚𝘗𝘓𝑘ris.
𝘚𝘗𝘧𝘧𝘧𝘪𝘍𝑒𝘬? Can this really be 𝘚𝘗𝘧𝘧𝘧𝘪𝘍𝑒𝘬?
Do so much lounging.
𝘚𝘗𝘧𝘧𝘧𝘧𝘍𝑒𝘬!
Oh, man. Wow.
Thank you so much, Jackson, and your whole entire family for making my Christmas super special. It is the reason why I make art, and that reaction and that smile is everything. I hope everyone has an amazing holiday season, an amazing new year, and I can't wait to show you guys what's going on in 2019. I really do cherish you all, and thank you again for allowing me to do what I love, which is make art and play video games. If you've already subscribed, thank you so much, and I will definitely see you next time.